Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to erase. So we have these example objects, and if you want to erase, you can click the eraser tools and you can click again to move into eraser options. So in here I will use this option and then click outside to choose. After that you can change for the size eraser by clicking at this point to erase, and you can click the object hold and you can move the mouse to erase the selected area. So you can change again for the erase type, and I will choose the option. You can change again for size, eraser size. So you can see the eraser will be set into a small area circle with this tool option. So you can change again, click erase, and I will use this option. And then you can change for the size by clicking at this point. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to erase. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.